Sodium and chloride are electrolytes that are responsible for the maintenance of concentrations and charge differences across cell membranes. Potassium is the principal cation inside the cells, while natrium is the principal cation in extracellular fluid. Potassium concentrations inside the cells are about 30 times higher than concentration outside the cell. Sodium concentration within cells are about 10 times lower than outside cells. These concentration differences create an electrochemical gradient known as the membrane potential, which is maintained by ion pumps in the cell membrane, especially the Na and KATPase pumps. These pumps use ATP or energy to pump natrium out of the cells in exchange for K, and their activity has been estimated to account for 20 to 40% of the resting energy expenditure in a typical adult. Tight control of cell membrane potential is critical for nerve impulse transmissions, muscle contractions, and cardiac functions. Sodium in the small intestine plays an important role in the absorption of chloride, amino acids, glucose, and water, while chloride of the gastric juice aids in the digestion of food and absorption of many nutrients. Sodium deficiency, known as hyponatremia, does not generally result from the inadequate dietary intake, even in those on low salt diets. Loss of sodium and chloride is high in severe or prolonged vomiting or diarrhea, excessive and persistent sweating, the use of some diuretics, and some forms of kidney disease. Symptoms of hyponatremia include headache, nausea, vomiting, muscle cramps, fatigue, disorientations, and fainting. Complications of severe and rapidly developing hyponatremia may include cerebral edema or swelling of the brain, seizures, coma, and brain damage. Acute or severe hyponatremia may be fatal without prompt and appropriate medical treatment. Hyponatremia has recently been recognized as a potential problem in individuals competing in long endurance exercise events such as marathons and triathlons. On the other hand, high natrium intake can result in hypertension, since a number of physiological mechanisms that regulate blood volume and blood pressure work by adjusting the body's natrium content. In general, natrium retentions results in water retentions and Na loss result in water loss. High natrium intake may increase the risks of gastric cancer. Some other ailments such as osteoporosis and kidney stones have also been ascribed to high intake of natrium, but more evidence is